TME is one of the most dynamically developing component distributors in the world. Why? Because we care about business relationships with over 1,200 suppliers. We care about 200,000 active customers worldwide and provide easy ways of communication in many languages. We care about 1,000 highly qualified employees, including many engineers and specialists on 4 continents, who are at your disposal. There are authentic people behind our brand, not just e-commerce tools. TME's sales representatives provide professional support for customers in Poland and abroad, all throughout 23 product groups. We speak 22 languages and offer TME.eu website in 26 languages and provide payments in different currencies. We work fast. In 2020, we were able to maintain stocks for over 450,000 products in our warehouse. We achieved the number of 1,600,000,000 components sold, 1,130,000 invoices issued, 20,000 order lines generated daily. We sent 5,000 parcels per day. We supply products to over 150 countries with flat delivery rates to more than 100 countries around the world. We grow. Each year, we extend our offer with dozens of new product lines from leading manufacturers. In 2021, we achieved a level of over 500,000 products in our offer, most of which are available in stock. We expect that the number of products in our offer will reach 600,000 by the end of 2021. We modernize. The modern warehouse contains 210,000 shelf locations and 23-meter high storage facilities with 251,000 container slots and 12,000 pallet locations. 5 fully automated stacker cranes, 6 mini-load container stacker cranes, and customized shuttle system. The warehouse is equipped with anti-static protection and dedicated areas of vacuum packaging and cooling, as well as separate chemical section. Thanks to these measures, we are able to precisely control the quality and the quantity of stored goods. We share. We provide educational programs for schools and youth from areas with limited access to modern technical knowledge. That's why we created Arduino-based TME Educational Board, a compact and comfortable tool to start the adventure with electronics. We provide guidebooks for learning electronics and Arduino programming. We expand. In 2020, we completed the first stage of constructing a new logistics center. We developed a new TME's website. We look into the future. In 2021, we will launch the Rzeszów Logistics Center. We are planning further expansion on foreign markets.